Hello students, today we are going to consider the exercise 2.4, the remaining questions from question number 3 to question number 7. Now up to question number 2 in previous video we had seen that. Now here we are going to start the next question, which is question number 3. Now the question number 3 is like this: sum of the digit of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of 2-digit number, that means 2-digit number is there like 10, 11, 12, etc. and their sum is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is greater than original number by 27. That means we can change the position of those digits. That means tens place digit can be shifted to the units place and units place digit can be shifted to the tens place. After that, the number obtained which is greater than the original number by 27, and we have to find out that 2-digit number. So what is the 2-digit number? Now first of all we have to consider the tens place of that digit is going to be x. Here I am going to consider the tens place of that digit is x. So therefore ones place is going to be 9 minus x. Now how it was came? The addition of two number is 9. Here if we consider addition of those two digits, suppose tens place is x is a tens place plus y is a units place, their addition is 9. So therefore value of y can be calculated by 9 minus x. That means units digit is going to be 9 minus x. So therefore we are assume that the digits or at tens place is x and the digit at ones place is 9 minus x respectively. Now the original number, if we calculate, that original number can be calculated with the help of expanded form. The expanded form is like this: 10 into digit which is present at tens place plus 1 into digit which is present at units place. So here 10 into x plus 9 minus x, and by solving this we are getting 9x plus 9, which is the simplified form for the original number. So here original number is 9x plus 9. Now we have to interchange the digits. So after interchanging, the ones place and tens place will be x and 9 minus x. So here they are interchanged. The tens place digit which is x now becomes ones place, and the ones place digit 9 minus x, which now as a tens place we had taken it as a tens place. So new number after interchanging the digits we are going to get it by same way, by the expanded form: 10 into tens place digit plus 1 into units place digit, and by solving this we are getting the 90 minus 9x is the new number. 90 minus 9x is the new number which is obtained after the interchanging the digits, and according to our example this new number obtained is more than that means it is greater than the original number by 27. That is it is more than 27 by the original number. So therefore we can write down new number is equals to original number plus 27. Now just put down the values of new number and original number. Here new number is 90 minus 9x and the original number is 9x plus 9. So we obtain the equation like this: 90 minus 9x, which is equals to 9x plus 9 plus 27. Now if we simplify this, then we are getting 90 minus 9x, which is equals to 9x plus 36. Again transposing the numbers, that means here we are going to transfer or transposing the numericals. So here by transposing 9x to the right hand side, by transposing 9x to the right hand side and 36 to the left hand side, then we are going to get like this: 90 minus 36, 90 minus 36, and this minus 9x which is shifted to the right hand side, it will become plus. So 9 plus 9, it will become 18x, and after performing the subtraction we are getting 54 is equals to 18x, which is the next step. Now in order to find out the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 18. Divide both sides by 18. We obtain 3x is equals to 3 after dividing by 18 to both sides. We know that 18 3 is a 54 and 18 will be cancelled. So therefore we getting x is equals to 3. That means tens digit is 3 and ones place, that means units place, is going to be 9 minus x. That means 9 minus 3, which is equals to 6. So therefore tens place digit is 3 and ones place digit is 6. So therefore the given number is 36. The given 2-digit number is 36. Now next question is, in the similar way, word example is there. Same type of example is there, similar to that of example number 3. One of the 2 digits of 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So some conditions are different actually. So suppose let the digit at tens place and ones place will be the x and 3x, because it is actually 3 times. It is 3 times. So that's why we have to take 3x. Ones placed is going to be 3x. So x and 3x. Those are the digit which we had considered. So therefore original number in the expanded form can be written like this: 10 into tens place digit plus 1 into units place digit. That means 10x plus 3x, which is equals to 13x is the original number. After interchanging the positions, now x is the ones place and 3x is the tens place, and again in expanded form that will be 10 into 3x plus 1 into x, which is 30x plus x. That means 31x is the new number after interchanging the digits. That means we have to just interchange the positions of that digit. Then according to our question, the condition is like this: the resulting number, that means this new number after the interchanging, and plus original number, their addition is 88. So therefore original number plus new number, their addition is 88. Now just put down the value of original number and new number, which is 13 and 31x. So therefore 13x plus 31x, which is equals to 88. Actually 13x plus 31x is 44x. So therefore 44x is equals to 88 is the final equation. Now we have to obtain the value of x. For that purpose, dividing both sides by 44, we get x is equals to 2. So therefore tens place is going to be 2 and ones place is going to be triple of that, that means 3 times of that. So therefore the original number is going to be 26, because 6 is triple of 2. So in this way the original number is 26. Now we can also consider the reverse method. That means tens place can be considered as 3x and ones place can be considered as x. So just reverse number we are going to get 62. 62 will be the reverse number. So in both way you can solve the example. The different numbers are obtained. So the 2-digit number is either 26 or 62. It depends on which value you are taking initially. If you are taking x and 3x, it is 26, and if you are taking 3x and x, then it will be 62. So both answers are correct. Next one is the fifth one. Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now, that means after 5 years we have to consider, will be the 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So therefore we are going to consider Shobho's age will be the x years. Shobho's age will be the x years. And his mother's age will be the 6 times. So therefore it is 6x, which are the present ages. So 6x is the present of Shobho's mother and x is the present age of Shobho. Now according to given question, we have to consider after 5 years. So after 5 years, Shobo's age is Shobo's mother's present age divided by 3. Shobo's mother's present age divided by 3. That means 1/3. 1/3 means we have to divide it by 3. So therefore we are getting x plus 5, which is equals to 6x upon 3. Why we had added this 5? Because we have to consider after 5 years. So present age is x. After 5 years it will be x plus 5. Now here you can divide this 6x by 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So therefore x plus 5 is equals to 2x. And by transposing that x to the RHS, we are getting directly x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 because 2x minus x is going to be x. So therefore we are getting directly the value of x, which is the present age of Shobo. So therefore Shobo's age is going to be 5 years and his mother's age will be 6x. That means 30 will be the age of his mother. So in this way we can calculate the ages of both. Next question is question number 6 now. There is a narrow rectangular plot, actually rectangular plot is there, and which is reserved for a school in Mahuli village. They had provided us the length and breadth of the plots which are in the ratio 11:4. Now these types of example we had considered in exercise 2.2 also. So you can refer those examples also. The ratios example. Now at the rate of Rs 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat of Rs 75,000 to fence the plot. That means they have to fix the fence. They have to insert the fence. That means they want to fencing that plot, and they had total cost 75,000. That means they had spent the 75,000 rupees at the rate of Rs 100 per meter. And what are the dimensions of plot? Dimensions means they are asked to find out the length and breadth. So here, first of all, we are going to consider the common ratio as we had taken in the exercise 2.2. The common ratio between length and breadth will be the x, and therefore the length will be 11x and breadth will be 4x according to the ratio 11:4. As the ratio is 11:4, so therefore we are going to take the values as 11x and 4x with the help of common ratio, which is x. So here it is like this. If we take the common ratio as x, then you can write down this as it is 11 into x divided by 4 into x. So x is going to cancel. So after cancelling this x, we are getting the original ratio. So that's why we are taking the x as a common ratio. Now here perimeter we can calculate. We have to calculate perimeter because the fencing length, that means how much fencing should be inserted, that will be nothing but it is the perimeter of the plot. So that's why we have to calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle can be calculated by length plus breadth into 2. That means length plus breadth, you have to perform addition of length and breadth, and you have to just double it. So just put the value of length and breadth. Value of length is 11x and value of breadth is 4x. So 11x plus 4x will be 15x, and 15x into 2, that will be 30x. So therefore perimeter of the plot will be 30x. Now we will see the another conditions in the example. The cost of fencing that plot having the rate of Rs 100 for how much meter? For 1 meter. And that total cost is rupees 75,000. Total cost is rupees 75,000. So therefore the total length, that means perimeter into 100, that will be the 75,000. Total cost 75,000. So therefore 100 into perimeter, because rate is 100 per meter. So 100 into perimeter is equals to 75,000. 100 into 30x, which is equals to 75,000. So we have just put the value of perimeter, which is 30x in the given equation. And after solving it, we are getting 3000x, which is equals to 75,000. In order to find out the value of x, we have to divide it by 3000. So therefore we are getting x is equals to 25. How we are getting this? 3000x divided by 3000, you can solve it in this way, which is equals to 75,000 divided by 3000. So we know that the same terms which are present on numerator and denominator, they can be cancelled. So 3000 is cancelled. Here 3 zeros are cancelled, and we know that 25 3s are 75. So therefore we are getting the value as 25. So x is equals to 25. So therefore length will be 11 into 25, which is 275 meter is the length, which is the first dimension. And second dimension is breadth, which is 4 into 25, which is 100 meter. So the rectangular plot having the dimensions of 275 meter and 100 meter respectively. In this way the question number 6 is there. The question number 7 is again similar type, only the materials are different. In the question number 6, land is there. Here some clothes are there. Two kinds of clothes are there. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him Rs 50 per meter, and trouser material that cost him Rs 90 per meter. Now for every 2 meters of trouser material, if he is buying the 2 meters of trouser material, then he is buying the 3 meters of shirt material. So for every 2 meters of trouser material, he is buying the 3 meters of shirt material. And now he is selling both the materials at the profit of 12% and 10%. That means 12% is the profit for trouser material and 10% is the profit for shirt material. Now his total sale is 36,660. So how much trouser material did he buy? How much trouser material did he buy? Only that we have to calculate. So there is no need to calculate the shirt material. How much shirt material did he buy? That is not necessary to calculate. If asked, you can calculate. Now here suppose let 2x meter of trouser material and 3x meter of shirt material will be bought by Hassan, because for every 2 meter, 3 meter shirt material is there. That's why we are taking 2x and 3x. Now the per meter selling price of the trouser material can be calculated with the help of CP and profit that we have seen in the previous year. So same formula we are using. SP is equals to CP plus CP into profit divided by 100. Percentage profit divided by 100. So here CP is 90. That means cost price 90 per meter for trouser. So CP again 90 into 12 is the profit percentage and divided by 100. And by solving this, we are getting the SP, which is rupees 100.80. 100 rupees and 80 paisa is the selling price. That means SP for the trouser material. Same can be calculated for shirt material. SP for the shirt material 50 plus 50. Here 50 is CP. Again 50 is CP into 10 is profit and 100 is that formula. CP into percentage profit divided by 100. So CP is 50, profit percentage is 10 divided by 100, and that solution is Rs 55. After calculating that, we are getting the 55. So we had got the SP of trouser as well as shirt material, and we know that total amount of selling also, which is 36,660. So 2x meter material is bought by him, which is type of trouser material, and 3x meter of shirt material he bought. So just multiply by selling price to those length of the materials and add those two values, we are getting the total cost, which is 100.80, which is the SP for trouser material, into 2x, which is the material brought by the Hassan, plus 55 into 3x, which is the shirt material, SP of shirt material and length of shirt material, and this addition is 36,660. So after simplifying it, we are getting 201.60 plus 165x, which is equals to 36,660, and by adding these two values we are getting 366.60, which is equals to 36,660. Now we have to divide it by that value, which is the coefficient of x, 366.60. On dividing it, we are getting the answer as x is equals to 100, and by putting this value in trouser material, which is 2x meter, so 2 into 100, 200 meter of trouser material he bought. And if question is asked how much shirt material did he buy, then you can use same formula, only 3x will be there, so 3 into 100, that will be 300 meter shirt material he buy. So this is the question number 3 to question number 7 from the exercise 2.4. In the next video, you are going to see the remaining questions from the same exercise 2.4. So for today, this much only.